So we have already covered sign convention, and in today's lecture we are going to cover allied angle formula. But before that, as we are accustomed to, we are going to learn some new fact, some amazing fact in mathematics, something which you may have never heard of. So today I'm going to show you a beautiful trick in geometry which will prove something which is counterintuitive, which is completely false. कुछ ऐसा मैं prove करूँगा, मतलब it will appear to be like a magic trick कि ये कैसे हो सकता है. And obviously if it is wrong, then you have to prove that it is mathematically wrong. So today I am going to prove that, see what I am writing here. I am writing all triangles are equilateral. How does it sound? सुनने में कैसा लग रहा है? This is completely false, right? We have right angle triangle, we have scalene triangles, we have obtuse angle triangle. How can it be? How can all triangles be equilateral? Think. हो सकता है क्या ऐसा? Is it possible? But today I am going to prove this. See, and obviously it is wrong. It is completely wrong. Now it is your task, your responsibility to prove that whatever I am showing here, there is some mistake. So try to catch this mistake. Alright. So I am going to draw a triangle first. See. This is a random triangle I have made. ABC. This triangle is random. I don't know its angles, I don't know the length of sides. Now I will extend AB and AC. So this is extended AB and this is extended AC. Alright, we're good here. Now, the other construction is, I am going to construct an angle bisector. Do you know how to construct an angle bisector? You must. 10th standard may we have already covered, right? How to draw an angle bisector. So, draw an angle bisector here for angle A. Let's say it goes like this. ऐसा कुछ. So this is an angle bisector. Angle. Don't worry, we'll discuss. We'll also discuss how do we draw, how will we construct an angle bisector. That will also be discussed in another lecture. Another construction would be, I am going to construct a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of this side, BC. So what is a perpendicular bisector? Because it is bisecting, so it is passing through the midpoint first. Let's call it M. It is passing through the midpoint. And since it is not just bisector, it is perpendicular bisector, so this line is going to be perpendicular to BC. So I believe everybody knows what is a perpendicular bisector, right? Now see, this perpendicular bisector and this angle bisector, they are intersecting at a point. Let's call their point of intersection P. इस point को मैंने P assume कर लिया. After this, there will be two more constructions. From P, I am going to drop a perpendicular on extended AB, a perpendicular on extended AC. These two are again perpendiculars, and I am going to join PB and P2C. तो ये दोनों मैंने join भी कर दिया. Everybody can see this diagram, everybody can understand. Initially, I had this random triangle ABC. I extended AB, I extended AC. Then this was an angle bisector, internal angle bisector for angle A, and this is a perpendicular bisector of side BC, the perpendicular bisector intersects the angle bisector at point P, and from point P, again I dropped two perpendiculars on AB extended and AC extended. So I don't think there is any problem. For now, everybody can understand this diagram, and I have joined P to B and P to C also. Alright, we're good, I believe. If anybody has any doubt, instead of chatting, you can talk to me directly, and come on, unmute yourself. It took me, 15 minutes to add all this. So I believe it should be worth it. Come on. If you want to talk to me, you can in today's lecture. Nobody. Okay, fine. So now look at this diagram, and I'm going to write few things. Tell me if I'm correct or not. So first, my claim is, I'm claiming that PB is equal to PC. PB is going to be equal to PC. Anyone who wants to tell me why I am saying PB should be equal to PC, tell me. Why PB should be equal to PC? Is anybody responding? Okay. You can write in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and tell me directly why PB equals to PC. Amrit wants to tell. Okay. Amrit, wait. Yes. Speak up, beta. Bolo. Yes, I can hear you. PMB, okay. And then triangle PMC. Okay. So what's special about these two triangles? MB is equal to MC. That's correct, because it was a perpendicular bisector, so MB should be equal to MC. Correct, Amrit? And yes, so both are right angle triangles, so BMP is same as CMP, and both are 90 degrees. Very good, Amrit. PM is a common side, yes. So MP is common. Very good. So these two triangles are congruent because of RHS, SAS, whatever you want. Okay, Amrit. Very nice, beta. Now you can mute. So look, Amrit told us why these two triangles are congruent, and if we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, obviously the side length PB should be equal to PC. The hypotenuse must be of equal length. Right? Okay. Another claim would be, alright, I've not named them. Let's call this point Q. Let's call this point R. The feet of perpendiculars from P to AB and AC are Q and R respectively. And again, another claim would be that, PQ is also equal to PR. Come on, guys. Why PQ equals to, why I'm saying that PQ should be equal to PR? Anyone? So Garv is saying, okay, it was for previous, you're right, Garv, very right. Why PB equals to PC? Because these two triangles are congruent. Very nice. And why do you think PQ equals to PR? ये देखो PQ, ये जो perpendiculars मैंने drop किए हैं, why these two perpendiculars must be of equal length? Anyone wants Tanish? Tanish, you can unmute. Yes. Right? We just proved it. But no. We just proved that PMB is congruent to PMC. So these two angles are equal. I cannot say that angle B is equal to angle C. Right? So why PQ should be equal to PR? Harshita, you can unmute. Yes. Very good. In triangle AQP and triangle ARP, right? What is happening, Harshita, in these two triangles? Yes, but since it was an angle bisector, she is saying angle QAP should be equal to angle RAP. Alright, these two angles are equal and both are right angles, correct. So angle AQP is also equal to angle ARP and both are 90 degrees. And what else? We have AP common. Yes. So two triangles are congruent, and that is why my claim should be correct. The PQ should be equal to PR and PB equals to PC. Very good, very good. Jashan wants to say something. AP is a straight line, AP is the angle bisector. If it doesn't appear to be, it is my fault how I drew it on the board, but it is an angle bisector. Okay. Advik is here. Yes, Advik. By what criteria? Alright. So, since two angles are equal, all angles are same, and the third side AP is common. So, we have two right angle triangles whose hypotenuse is of equal length. So, what do you think the criteria is, Advik? Advik can unmute. Yes, very nice. All right. So, yes. Anybody else wants to say something? Yes. No. Angle B is not the part of triangle BMP, right? This angle yes. Yes, they are equal. All right. Now look at these two claims. PB equals to PC, PQ equals to PR. Now if I take triangle, I think somebody has to mute because, wait, okay. So in triangle PQB, and if you look at triangle PRC. Look at these two triangles. This triangle, this one, and this triangle. Here. If you look at these two triangles, we have PB equals to PC, PB equals to PC, and we have PQ equals to PR. Also, these two are right angle triangles. So, angle PBQ is same as angle PRC. Angle, PQB, right? Angle PQB, angle PQB, angle PQB is same as angle PRC equals to 90 degrees. So, it's a right angle triangle again. Hypotenuse PB is equal to hypotenuse PC, and one side PQ is equal to PR. So, what do you think these two triangles are? These two triangles are also going to be congruent. And since these two triangles are congruent, I believe we can again claim that these two side lengths, these two, QB should be equal to RC. Yeah. BQ should be equal to CR. The third side should be also of equal length. देखो भाई बहुत we are very close to prove that all triangles are equilateral. So I believe यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ चुका है. किसी को कोई doubt? Any doubt? Tanish, you have your hand raised. Do you want to ask anything? Okay, fine, Tanish. All right, so BQ equals to CR, and let's call this the first equation. After this, just one more step. Tell me why AQ is also equal to AR. Why AQ must be equal to AR? Why? Anyone? Vedant. Why AQ must be equal to AR? No, beta. I'm asking you why AQ equals to AR. I believe तो थोड़ा सा और explanation clear करो ना. Who else? और कौन है? Danish. Yes, Danish. Since AQP is equal to ARP, yes, we have proved. So these two triangles are congruent, and that's why AQ should be equal to AR. Very nice, very nice. Call this second equation. And the movement we were waiting for is here. Guys, what if you subtract first equation from second? Now what will happen? See, AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ is AB. It is AB. And AR minus CR. AR minus CR is AC. And this is the magic क्यों भैया मैजिक क्यों है? I selected a random triangle. I started, in the very inception of all this, मैंने क्या बोला था? That I am choosing a random triangle. It can be a scalene triangle, obtuse angle, whatever. Then I constructed few things, and I ended up having this result: AB is equal to AC. Similarly, I can draw an angle bisector for angle B. Angle B के लिए angle bisector draw कर दो. AC का perpendicular bisector draw कर दो. So similarly, I can prove. Similarly, I can also prove that जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे prove किया AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. Then similarly, I can say that AB equals to BC. And AB equals to BC, AB equals to AC, then this implies AB equals to BC equals to CA. Dhruv, I think Dhruv wants to speak to me. Yes, Dhruv, tell me. Come again, Dhruv. I can. Yes, Q and R, Dhruv, are feet of perpendiculars from point P to AB and AC. Look, I need not to show that these two triangles are congruent because I can do this verbally. If you want me to revise all this, there was a triangle ABC. I extended AB, I extended AC. Now, I drew an angle bisector of angle A and then a perpendicular bisector of BC. These two lines are intersecting at P. Now, I think you must have heard about these properties that if you take any point on the perpendicular bisector, this point will be equidistant from B and C. First property, right? If you take any point on the perpendicular bisector, look, PM is the perpendicular bisector. P is a point on the perpendicular bisector of BC. So PB is going to be equal to PC. हमको ये show करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We know by property that PB should be equal to PC. And another fact is that if you take any point on the angle bisector, this is a straight line, all right? So if you take any point on the angle bisector, what does this property say? That this point will be equidistant from the two rays. यानी AB पर और AC पर अगर मैंने perpendiculars drop किए तो ये दोनों equal होंगे. I need not to prove. All right, the explanation is here that why PQ should be equal to PR because these two triangles are congruent, but we need not to prove this. And then again by using congruences, we have proved that AQ equal to AR, right? AQ equal to AR proof करने के लिए I need not to show that these two triangles are congruent. This is obvious. And then by subtracting these two, we got this result. तो भाई अब तो कहानी बहुत सिंपल हो गई है. दुनिया में कोई भी ट्रायंगल पिक करो तो वो इक्विलैटरल होता है. दुनिया का कोई भी ट्रायंगल इक्विलैटरल है. Look, I'm not saying this is correct, all right? ऐसा नहीं है कि अब एग्जाम में आएगा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एंड यू विल से आंसर लिखोगे. नहीं, ये तो गलत क्वेश्चन है भाई. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल तो होता ही नहीं है. दुनिया में केवल इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल ही होता है. My claim is completely false, but my proof looks all right. To me, at least. There is some mistake in all this. Now, can you catch this mistake? किसी को, we can surely draw perpendicular from AC or any side to point P for every triangle. Yes, we can always draw perpendicular. I don't find a reason why I cannot draw a perpendicular from a point to a given line. I can always draw a perpendicular, right? So I don't think there is an issue in dropping perpendiculars. So what should we do? Should I few Guys are there. Dhruv wants to say something. Dhruv? Yes, Dhruv, tell me. No? Vedant? Or Tanish? Similarly, when I say similarly, that means again by doing all this, ये जो भी कुछ मैंने किया अभी, ये मैं repeat करूंगा, and how is B को assume B is here, A is here, and C is here. So after repeating the process, I can prove that similarly. I mean AB equals to AC जैसे मैंने prove किया था, I can prove B equals to BC. And anyways, अगर तुम्हें ये चीज similarly वाली नहीं digest हो रही है, anyways I have proved AB equal to AC, not equilateral, तो मैंने at least isosceles तो prove कर ही दिया ना यार. So do you agree कि भाई दुनिया का हर triangle isosceles होता है, दो sides तो equal होंगी ही होंगी. Do you think so? Again it is absurd, it is wrong, बिल्कुल नहीं होता ऐसा. Yes. Tanish, please mute. Acha, you want to say something, Tanish? Yes. Yes. AP is the angle bisector. Tanish, I can't hear you for some reason. Tanish, I cannot hear you. There could be an issue from your side. Or it is me. Am I audible to all? Cannot hear him. Can you check? Hello? Tanish, yes. Yes, I said this. Why is it that? I can prove my construction is correct because angle bisector, have you heard of angle bisector property? So if you're saying that this point D should be on the right of point M, this claim is not correct for this diagram, and the reason is AB is less than AC. What does angle bisector property say? कि भाई AB upon AC, तुम्हें याद है? सबने पढ़ी है angle bisector property? That AB upon AC is actually equal to BD upon DC. पढ़ी है angle bisector property? For any internal angle bisector or external angle bisector also, this works. AB upon AC equals to BD upon DC. So if in my construction AB is smaller, AB AC से छोटा है, so BD has to be smaller than DC. So my construction is not wrong. Understood? Okay guys, so I'm leaving it up to you. You think about this, you think about all this construction and proving. There is definitely a mistake, but वो mistake क्या है, that you have to find out. और जैसे तुमको वो mistake मिल जाएगी, you can WhatsApp to me, मुझे बताओ, ठीक है? और तब तक हम इसको freeze करते हैं, and you note it down, and I will come back in 2 minutes, and then we can start our regular lecture. All right? चलो. यस तो अब लोग रेगुलर लेक्चर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं भाई. हाँ, इसको आप लोग लेके बैठो और आराम से देखना. इसको अभी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. अभी हम जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में करने जा रहे हैं, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो इसको लीव इट अप. आई नो इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग और लग रहा होगा कि यार क्या हो गया, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. बट यू हैव सफिशिएंट टाइम, आराम से करो. ट्राई टू फाइंड द मिस्टेक. And Abhinav has to say something. Okay, Abhinav, what you have to say, tell me. Abhinav, you can unmute. Abhinav, tell me. Yes, Abhinav. Very nice. Abhinav, you got it. So what Abhinav is saying, that in this construction, the feet of perpendiculars, look at the location of feet of perpendiculars. Q and R, both are on the extended portion of AB and AC, which is not true. So what is going to happen, one of the foot of perpendiculars will fall between A and B. If it does, let's say Q lies between A and B, then R will not lie between A and C. And if R will lie between A and C, then Q will not lie between A and B. Prasoon wants to say something. Okay, Prasoon. Yes, Prasoon. Yes. Yes. MPC and MPB are congruent. Yes, these two are also congruent. After adding these two, I didn't get this. Why angle MPQ is equal to MPR? Okay, you are adding those two angles. All right. Yes. Okay, APB is equal to ABC. APQ equals to APR. Correct? MPQ equals to MPR. I understand. There is another contradiction. What you are trying to say, that there is another contradiction, right? So there is something wrong, and that's what I have asked you to find out. So there is another contradiction which you are proving, right? But the mistake, there is no mistake in proving all this, All these lengths are actually equal. All these triangles are actually congruent. Where was the mistake? The mistake where I actually fooled you in this construction. If Q lies outside AB, if Q lies in the extended portion R cannot lie in the extended portion. R जो है ना वो A और C के बीच में आएगा. तो तुम ऐसा करो, you construct once more and this time you construct R between A and C and you will find that every contradictory statement is actually जो भी हमने false claim किए हैं वो अपने आप करेक्ट हो जाएंगे, वो सारी चीजें अपने आप सही हो जाएंगी. Alright, so there is a problem with construction only. That's it. So anyways, alright, let's move ahead with trigonometry. Trigonometry की बात कर लें थोड़ी सी, है ना? So let's start. Yes, alright. So guys, हो गई भी मैजिक ट्रिक ओवर, है ना? द ब्यूटी ऑफ ज्योमेट्री, यू नो, थोड़ा सा देख रहे हो कंस्ट्रक्शन में हमने थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक की एंड इट वाज जस्ट अ मिस्टेक इन कंस्ट्रक्शन व्हिच प्रूव्ड दैट एवरी ट्रायंगल इज इक्विलैटरल एंड इज सो ऑब्नॉक्शियस. बिलीव मी, कई लोग दिन भर जब मैंने दिया उनको बेचारे वो अटके रह गए, क्या हो गया यार कि दुनिया के सारे ट्रायंगल इक्विलैटरल हैं एंड देयर इज नो मिस्टेक. बिकॉज हमारी अप्रोच क्या होती है, वी ट्राई टू प्रूव दैट देयर इज सम मिस्टेक इन अलजेब्रा, देयर इज सम मिस्टेक इन प्रूविंग ऑल दिस. हो सकता है कुछ ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट ना हो, हम जबरदस्ती कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर रहे हो, बट हम कभी ध्यान ही नहीं देते कि हमारे कंस्ट्रक्शंस भी रॉन्ग हो सकते हैं. एंड दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम विद यू नो ऑल दिस. जहां पे हमने जब ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट किया तो मैंने स्मार्टली क्या किया, दोनों परपेंडिकुलर्स बाहर डाल दिए एंड दैट वाज द ओनली मिस्टेक. ठीक है, ऑलराइट, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर वी हैव कवर्ड साइन कन्वेंशन. ऑलराइट, लेट्स रिवाइज. So can we have the picture please? Yes. So here in this picture you can see, I think we have solved these problems. We are able to guess the sign of trigonometric ratios of all these angles just because we have sign convention. So what does this sign convention say? I need not to write it again. I believe that in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Add sugar to coffee, after school to college, and whatever way you want to learn this, that in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant sine and cosec will be positive. In third quadrant tan and cot. In fourth quadrant it will be cos and sec. So that's how we solve these problems. These are actually good problems because angles are huge, some angles are very big, and we have taken few angles in radians as well. तो वहाँ पर कैलकुलेशन definitely थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टी आई होगी और हमने सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए. कैन वी हैव द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वेयर वी हैड आवर आंसर्स ऑल्सो. देखो आंसर्स भी लिखे हुए हैं विद रीजन why this is positive and why that one is negative. You can see because the angles lie in the respective quadrants, first, second, third and fourth. So I believe ये चीज सबको समझ में आ गई होगी. यहाँ से हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. And now today we are going to start with a subtopic called allied angle formula. Allied angle formula. What are allied angle formula? ऐसा नहीं है कि तुमने देखा नहीं है. You have already gone through this thing in 10th standard trigonometry. So I will show you. जो तुमने देखा हुआ है, something which you already know. You already know about 90 minus theta allied angle formula, don't you? पता है ना, याद है ना, याद है ना कि अगर मैंने साइन 90 डिग्रीज माइनस थीटा लिखा, then sin 90 minus theta is going to be equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Then what about cos 90 minus theta? What is cos 90 minus theta? It is sin theta. और ये भी सबको पता है. Sin converts to cos and cos converts to sin, and after this For every trigonometric ratio, it will become apparent, it will become obvious, because if you divide these two, sin upon cos is tan, and tan 90 minus theta will become cot theta. And then reciprocate this for cot second cosec. So you know all this, right? You know these three results. ये 10th standard में हमने already पढ़े हुए हैं. But in 11th standard, this is not sufficient. 90 minus theta से हमारा काम नहीं चल पाएगा. For example, the second allied angle formula, let's append this. आगे बढ़ते हैं, because now we are comfortable with all angles greater than 90. We have negative angles also. Now you know that every real number is an angle. Angle कहीं भी आ सकता है. It can be 170 degrees. It can be 1090 degrees. Angles कितने बड़े और कितने छोटे भी हो सकते हैं. It's like minus 10,000 degrees is also an angle. You know that. So not just 90 minus theta. And before I go further, let's revise why this is happening. हो क्यों रहा है ऐसा? So explanation is very obvious once again कि भाई in any right angle triangle, if I take one angle to be theta, other acute angle will automatically become 90 minus theta. So होने के वाला है, if I want to find sin 90 minus theta for this angle, this is the opposite side, but for theta it is adjacent side. So now you know why sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, because for this the opposite side is adjacent for theta. So O by H becomes A by H, and that's why sin 90 minus theta is same as cos theta, and same goes for other relations as well. Similarly, if I want you to find a allied angle formulae for minus theta. By minus theta, I want to ask you, what is the value of sin minus theta? What is the value of cos minus theta? What is the value of tan minus theta? In terms of what? In terms of obviously theta. I want to remove this minus sign. I want to once again find my answers in terms of theta. I want to remove this negative sign. Can we do this? कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? So first let's go for the explanation of minus theta. What was minus theta? If you remember, क्या था भाई minus theta? आओ देखते हैं. Minus theta is same as theta, right? Minus theta भी theta ही है. Just the rotation is different. So I will call this angle minus theta instead of theta. Why? Because the rotation is in clockwise direction. Now look at this triangle. ये right angle triangle बना रहा हूँ. Let's call this angle minus theta. ये angle minus theta हो गया. And just for your reference, मैं एक और right angle triangle बना देता हूँ, where this angle is plus theta. This angle is theta. So I have constructed two congruent triangles, right? Because these two are right angle triangle. Assume करो दोनों points same है. So we have a common side. The magnitude of two angles are also same. दोनों angles actually equal है. So these two triangles must be congruent. If they are congruent, the opposite side here should be equal to opposite side here. The adjacent side here is already common. देखो ये जो adjacent side है वो तो common है. And what about the hypotenuse? That is also same. But looking at coordinate system, हम देख रहे हैं कि एक triangle हमारा, look at this point, चलो उसको मैं कुछ इसकी naming कर देता हूँ. Let's call this point A, this point A dash. Where A lies in first quadrant, A dash lies in fourth quadrant. और अगर हम कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम की बात करें तो ये जो मैंने O लिखा हुआ है, this distance, ये जो y कोऑर्डिनेट है इसका, it should not be O. If I'm calling this O, ये opposite side है. Yes, इसकी length तो O रहेगी. But if you are looking at coordinates of A dash, it should be actually what? Minus O. ये minus साइन यहां पर लगना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस डिस्टेंस इज माइनस ओ, ये डिस्टेंस माइनस ओ नहीं होगी. द कोऑर्डिनेट, द y coordinate of a dash should be negative, and that's why I'm calling it minus o. Now can you tell me what is sine minus theta? Look at this triangle and tell me what is sine minus theta. Sine minus theta is minus o upon h. Look, minus o upon h. But then what is o upon h? What is opposite upon hypotenuse? It is actually sine theta, so this must be minus sine theta. है ना भाई, समझ में आया? साइन माइनस थीटा इज माइनस साइन थीटा. साइन के अंदर अगर नेगेटिव साइन है उसको तुम उठा के बाहर ले आओ, सिंपल सी बात है. बट देन व्हाट अबाउट कॉस माइनस थीटा? लेट्स चेक व्हाट अबाउट कॉस माइनस थीटा. तो ये देखो, एडजेसेंट साइड इज कॉमन, चाहे वो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट हो, चाहे वो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट हो. दिस x coordinate is going to be positive, and that's why it is again a by h. So cos minus theta should be same as cos theta. Cos minus theta is same as cos theta. What about tan minus theta? Can you guess and tell me in the chat window, or you can unmute today? Can you tell me what is tan minus theta? Vedant, yes, Vedant, speak up beta, batao. No beta. H is not x or y coordinate. H is distance of A from O, and H is distance from A dash of O. Yes. So minus O is there because A dash lies in fourth quadrant. If I ask you what are the coordinates of A dash, what will be your answer? Not plus minus, beta. A is positive, no? A is positive because we are in fourth quadrant, x coordinate has to be positive. A is positive. Y coordinate has to be negative. So that's why O comes with a negative sign. Why cos will be negative? Tell me. This x coordinate should be positive now. We are in fourth quadrant. अगर मैंने इस एंगल को, अगर मैंने इस एंगल को थोड़ा सा और इंक्रीज करके मैं थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में आ गया होता, then A would have been also negative. But in this case, in this example, as I constructed, A should be positive. Why are you saying H should be? H is simply the distance between OA and OA dash. And a distance of a point from origin can never be negative. It is not one of the coordinates. The negative sign here is also for our reference. If you ask me this length is still O. ये भी O ही है. Minus sign मैंने केवल इसलिए दिखाया because A dash lies in fourth quadrant, so Y coordinate should be negative. Okay. So tan minus theta should be what? Tan minus theta should be minus O by A, and that is also minus tan theta. And with the help of this diagram, look, we have derived results for sin minus theta, cos minus theta, and tan minus theta. And now you will be able to tell me, अगर मैं तुमसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं कि tell me what is the value of tan minus 60 degrees. Can you find me the value of tan minus 60 degrees? Yes, you can, because you know that tan minus theta is actually minus tan theta. So this should be equal to minus of tan 60 degrees. And what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3, so minus root 3, yes, Harshita, yes. Yes, Harshita. Didn't get you, sorry. Oh, you wanted to answer. Okay, fine. So tan minus 60 is minus root 3. So after 90 minus theta, we have a new allied angle formula for minus theta, and from here we are going to have multiple allied angle formulas. So we'll not stop here till minus theta. We'll go further. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Another allied angle formula is there for 90 plus theta. और भाई जैसे मैंने कहा था कि थोड़ी सी अपनी जो एक्विंटेंस है अपना जो है वो रेडियंस से भी कर लो, मतलब उनसे थोड़ी दोस्ती अच्छी रहेगी. पाई बाई 2 प्लस थीटा. ओके, 90 degrees is pi by 2 radians. So now the question is, what is going to be the value of sine 90 degrees plus theta? Sine 90 plus theta क्या होना चाहिए? Sadgun wants to speak. Yes, Sadgun, tell me. Yes, Sadgun. Yes, Sadgun. Negative sign is there because of convention. In fourth quadrant, if I take any point in coordinate system, the y coordinate of this point has to be negative. That's why I'm saying this is not O, this is minus O. Minus sign is there just because of that coordinate convention. Otherwise, the length of this side remains O. It is not changed. Sadgun? समझाइए? Okay. So next question would be, what is sine 90 plus theta? Actually, my voice is echoing, so every time I'm getting confused. But that will not happen, after this lecture, because जैसे we will try to smoothen this up. But आज ये add हो गया and you use it, all right, guys. This framework is very nice. Only one thing was missing, and that was interaction through through audio. So that is also possible now. So use it. You can see only 4 or 5 guys speaking here. 4-5 लोग बोल रहे हैं और बाकी लोग आराम से रेडियो में FM सुन रहे हैं, है ना? तो बच्चों, हाँ टीवी भी देख रहे हो मुझे पता है, बट उसके अलावा थोड़ी सी बातचीत करोगे और डिस्कशन करोगे तो इट वुड बी एक्चुअली हेल्पफुल. तो खैर नेक्स्ट क्लास से व्हेन थिंग्स विल बी स्मूदर, मैं बाय नेम आई विल कॉल यू एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक. बोलना पड़ेगा, ऑल राइट? ठीक है ना? सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी साइन 90 प्लस थीटा? लुक, साइन 90 प्लस थीटा वी कैन फाइंड दिस आंसर बाय मेकिंग अनदर ट्रायंगल. By making another triangle, but I can see that you are not getting convinced somehow, because तुम्हें लग रहा है कि O का माइनस O क्यों लिख दिया मैंने, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि A का तो A रहा, H का मैंने माइनस H क्यों लिख दिया, and you are getting confused because all these are conventions. These are I'm not saying this is wrong कि मैं कुछ गलत पढ़ा रहा हूँ तुम्हें, ये सब तुम्हें पढ़ना ही है, ये सब correct है, but this is correct due to a convention. This is not coming naturally to us, and that is why थोड़ा सा हम उतना कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर एज अ फैक्ट, इसको याद करना पड़ेगा भाई, जितना 90 माइनस थीटा करेक्ट है उतना ही ये माइनस थीटा भी करेक्ट है, और अगला जो रिजल्ट आने वाला है वो भी उतना ही करेक्ट है. सो टू डिराइव साइन 90 प्लस थीटा, डोंट वरी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेक अनदर ट्रायंगल, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज कोऑर्डिनेट कन्वेंशंस नाउ. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द प्रॉपर्टीज व्हिच आई हैव डिराइव्ड हियर. 90 माइनस थीटा यू ऑलरेडी नो, माइनस थीटा जो तुमने अभी पढ़ा है, उन दोनों का यूज करके आई कैन फाइंड साइन 90 प्लस थीटा. एनीवन? अमृत? यस अमृत, टेल मी, क्या बोलना चाहते हो अमृत? यस यू आर. Yes, Amrit, I know. We can use compound angle formula. But thing is, compound angle formula हमने अभी तक start नहीं किया यहाँ पर, right? After this, we'll go to compound angle formula, obviously. But since we have not covered it here, I'm not going to use it. Okay, Amrit? All right. Next is Abhinav. And then Dhruv. Yes, Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav. So sine, okay, I will continue, but Dhruv wanted to say something. Dhruv? Same thing. Okay, Dhruv. Okay, great. So, look, what they're saying, that if I have to use 90 minus theta, if I have to use minus theta to prove, to find the result for 90 plus theta, why not write 90 plus theta as 90 minus minus theta? ऐसा लिख देते हैं. क्यों मैंने प्लस को माइनस क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज मेरे पास रिजल्ट 90 माइनस थीटा का भाई, तो ये माइनस मुझे यहां पर चाहिए और ये एक और माइनस भी लगाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली तो प्लस है ना, जो एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन उसमें प्लस थीटा लगा हुआ है ना. नाउ अज्यूम करो एक बार कि ये माइनस थीटा, बिकॉज यू नो माइनस थीटा इज ऑल्सो एन एंगल. तो इसको अगर मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए अल्फा अज्यूम कर लूं तो ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? दिस इज एक्चुअली साइन 90 degrees minus alpha. And what is sine 90 minus alpha? सबको पता है sine 90 minus alpha is cos alpha. And what is cos alpha? If alpha is, alpha क्या है भाई? Alpha is minus theta. भाई हमने minus तरह को तो alpha रखा था. So replacing alpha by minus theta, what do you think is going to happen? What is cos minus theta? Cos minus theta is cos theta. So this is back to cos theta. So it's easy, isn't it? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta होता है, ये तो हमको already पता ही था. But now, today, we have learned that sin 90 plus theta is also cos theta. तो 90 minus theta करोगे तो भी cos theta आएगा, 90 plus theta करोगे तो भी cos theta ही आएगा. For example, if I ask you, what is the value of sin 120 degrees? Can you tell me what is the value of sin 120 degrees? And I want Advait to answer this. Advait, अनम्यूट करो बेटा और मुझे आंसर बताओ सोच कर कि साइन 120 डिग्रीज. अद्वैत, व्हाट इज साइन 120 डिग्रीज? यस अद्वैत, यू कैन अनम्यूट. Advait, you can unmute, I believe. Yes. Very good. 120 is actually 90 plus 30. Those who are still not getting it, compare these two. 90 plus theta, 90 plus 30. So sin 90 plus 30 is what? Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. It is cos 30 degrees. And what is cos 30 degrees? ये तो सबको पता ही है ना. It is root 3/2. तो अब तुम्हारे पास sin 120 degrees भी है. हाँ? आदित्य, यस आदित्य, स्पीकर बेटा, हाँ बोलो. You can use, but don't you think it will take a lot of time? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, then you plug in all the values to find out what is the value of sin 120. Instead, I am using sin 90 plus theta equals to cos theta. Sine 120 is sine 90 plus 30, which is back to cos 30, and it is root 3 by 2. But you can always use compound angle formula, yes. You can always use it, it is correct. Alright guys, so we have sine 90 plus theta. Similarly, I want you to find what is cos. Cos 90 plus theta क्या होगा? आज हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि cosine of 90 plus theta क्या होगा? In this order I can say Dhruv again. Dhruv, yes Dhruv. What is cos 90 plus theta, Dhruv? Minus sin theta. Very nice. मैं यहां पर अभी प्रूव नहीं कर रहा हूं, अपने आप प्रूव करना सभी को. अमृत, अच्छा अमृत गया, ठीक है, अमृत का भी आंसर सेम ही होगा. सो यस अमृत, यस. That only. Okay, fine, ठीक है. So cos 90 plus theta, if you use the same method, अगर तुम ये same method use करते रहो, you will find that actually cos 90 plus theta will become minus sin theta. Is there a direct explanation for this negative sign? Can anybody give me a direct explanation why there is a negative sign? That is again the Parth, yes Parth. No, Parth. Add sugar to your coffee. Sweeten it up. ये साइन पॉजिटिव होता है, कॉस नेगेटिव होता है. इफ थीटा इज एक्यूट, लेट्स अज्यूम थीटा एक्यूट है, 90 plus theta is actually obtuse. 90 plus theta comes to second quadrant and you are taking cosine of an angle which is in second quadrant, assuming theta is acute. Theta can be any angle, but right now we are assuming that theta is acute. So cos of an obtuse angle, cos of an angle which lies in second quadrant should be negative. And that is an explanation for this negative sign. So sine is not negative, sine is positive. That's why sine 90 plus theta is plus cos theta. And now all this explanation is correct if I am taking theta as acute. Otherwise, it may change, you know. If theta itself is obtuse, तो ये सारी चीजें different हो जाएंगी. So these two are the results for sine and cosine. If you divide these two, you can find the result for tan also. So what will be tan 90 plus theta? Cos theta upon minus sin theta, this will become minus cot theta. So from where comes this negative sign? You know, साइन को छोड़कर सब कुछ नेगेटिव होता है, तो cos और tan दोनों में नेगेटिव साइन आने ही वाला था. All right guys, so इसको आप लोग नोट करो and I'll get back in 2 minutes. Okay, चलो. I will be audible, I will remain audible, don't worry, and you can note down from the screen. ठीक है? And in the meanwhile, someone find me the value of cos 150 degrees, cosine of 150 degrees. मुझे cos 150 degrees की वैल्यू चाहिए. जिन लोगों ने ये हैंड रेस किया हुआ है, पहले का है, अगर पहले से ही रेस किया हुआ है तो उसको हटा लो. अभी अगर कुछ पूछना है तो डोंट रिमूव. I'm going to unmute you. Who's there? Amrit. Amrit still wants to speak, I think. Yes, Amrit. Tell me. Yes. But sin 90 plus theta upon cos 90 plus theta is tan 90 plus theta, right? अब sin 90 plus theta देखो क्या है? It is cos theta. cos 90 plus theta क्या है? Minus sin theta. So cos theta upon minus sin theta becomes what? Minus cot theta. Got this. Very good. Satgun. Cos 150 degrees. Yes. What is your answer, Satgun? Minus root 3 by 2. Very good. बिल्कुल सही आंसर है भाई. Advik, yes Advik. Very nice Advik. Correct answer. All right. So moving further now. Yes. So cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. Reciprocate this to find the results of cot secant cosec. And you know, याद करने का तरीका क्या है भाई? 90 plus theta में sin cos में convert हो रहा है, cos sin में, tan cot में, जैसा 90 minus theta में था. The only change is कि आप कुछ negative signs भी हैं, minus signs भी हैं. And you know the reason why a negative sign is coming because of that convention, sign convention. In second quadrant, cos, tan, cot and sec are actually negative. So moving further, let's say we want to derive results for after 90 plus theta, it is 180 degrees minus theta. 180 minus theta, or let's call this pi minus theta. Pi radians minus theta. So now I want to find out that what is the value of sine 180. Sine 180 minus theta. But जैसा मैंने कहा, we are not, we don't want to make those triangles once more and get confused. Triangle क्यों बनाए? We have these results. Now we have a result for 90 plus theta as well. तो जैसे जैसे हम results derive करते जाएंगे, I can use them. I can use these results to find out the values of next allied angle formulas. So to find the value of sine 180 minus theta, now you are free to use 90 plus theta results. Sadgun, Dhruv and Advik. Okay, you guys are speaking and speaking. I mean, बाकी लोग भी आने चाहिए भाई, हाँ? What about Aditya? Okay, Harshvardhan, do you want to tell me how will I use 90 plus theta result to find 180 minus theta result? Harshvardhan, you want to add something here? Harshvardhan, Achana. Arnav, yes, Arnav wants to say. Okay, Arnav, tell me. We want to use 90 plus theta to find out the values of 180 minus theta. Great. Sine 90 plus 90 minus theta. Great. Arnav is very much correct, because if I want to use 90 plus theta, somewhere I have to convert 180 to 90. Now 180 is simply 90 plus 90. Why I clubbed these two, 90 and minus theta, together? Because now I can assume 90 minus theta as another angle alpha. So look, 90 plus 90 is 180, 180 minus theta remains 180 minus theta, and I've assumed 90 minus theta is alpha, so this actually becomes sine 90 degrees plus alpha. And for sine 90 plus alpha, you have this result. What is sine 90 plus alpha? Since sine 90 plus theta is cos theta, Sin 90 plus alpha is going to be cos alpha. बट हमको थीटा पूछा जाएगा तो हम आंसर अल्फा में थोड़े देंगे, हमको तो आंसर थीटा में चाहिए ना भाई. सो व्हाट इज cos alpha? What is cos alpha? Alpha is 90 minus theta again. So what is cos 90 minus theta? We know cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Whoa, look, sin 180 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta sin theta के exactly equal है. There is no change, right? It's easy to remember also. Sin 180 minus theta sin theta होगा. And there is a direct explanation to plus sign. Negative नहीं है. Because if I assume theta to be acute, theta acute angle है, मान लेते हैं एक बार को, तो 180 minus theta falls in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine, look at this sign, not this sign. Sine 180 minus theta, sine of an obtuse angle, sine of an angle which lies in second quadrant. It should be positive. That's why there is no negative sign. But जैसे ही तुम आगे बढ़ोगे and you will try to find the result for cos 180 minus theta. What about cos 180 minus theta? आओ try करते हैं. Cos 180 minus theta का result I want, can you scroll down a bit? I want, who's this? Ananya. Ananya will tell us. Ananya, try this and don't be apprehensive, don't worry. Answer अगर wrong होते हैं ना यार, there is no one to judge you here, all right? This is something new. सबको पता है. और अभी तुम 10th standard में ही हो. So I'm not expecting a lot from you. Nobody is actually. If अगर गलत होता है आंसर गलत होता है, not to worry. हम उसको correct करेंगे and you will learn, all right? So try Ananya and tell me if you get your answer. What is the value of cos 180 minus theta? Steps somewhere will be same. जो steps यहाँ पर हैं वही step रहने वाले हैं. And with Ananya, I want Benedict also to try this. Benedict and Ananya. Try this cos 180 minus theta thing and raise your hand as soon as you get your answer. Dhruv is there already to answer me. All right, Dhruv, wait for it. Vedant is there. Danish is there. Okay, guys. Harshita is also there. Okay, wait for it. Advik is there. Okay. ठीक है. Ananya, come on, beta, come on, Ananya and Benedict. Just speak up. अगर तुम्हें कुछ difficulty हो रही ना, I will guide you. और just unmute yourself, Ananya. Unmute. That's how you learn, ना, Ananya. चलो. Tell me. What is your approach, Ananya? Tell me. Or Benedict. Yes. Is it cos theta? What was your approach, Benedict? Tell me. Isn't it cos 90 plus 90 minus theta? Same as here. Sin 90 plus 90 minus theta. Let's assume 90 minus theta is alpha. So cos 90 plus alpha. Come here. Cos 90 plus alpha is minus sin alpha. बताओ यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है? समझ में आया ना? And what about alpha? Alpha is 90 minus theta. So Benedict, answer is not cos theta, it is minus cos theta. And minus cos theta, minus sign यहाँ पर क्यों आया? ये हम डायरेक्टली बता सकते हैं because second quadrant में cos is going to be negative. Minus sign यहाँ पर आया. Look, 90 plus theta. का नेचर वही है जो 180 माइनस थीटा का है, इफ थीटा इज एक्यूट। 180 में से कोई एक्यूट एंगल सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में आओगे, 90 में कोई एंगल ऐड करोगे एक्यूट तो तुम सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में आओगे, राइट। और सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस नेगेटिव होता है, दैट्स व्हाई माइनस कॉस थीटा। आई होप यू गॉट दिस, एंड इफ यू डिड, डिवाइड दीज टू and you will get results for tan 180 minus theta also. What is tan 180 minus theta then? Sin theta upon minus cos theta, and this is minus tan theta. तो results के साइन वैसे ही हैं, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव साइन के लिए पॉजिटिव, कॉस के लिए नेगेटिव, टैन के लिए नेगेटिव, बट वन थिंग इज नाउ चेंज्ड एंड दैट इज साइन कॉस में कन्वर्ट हो रहा था, बट यहां पे साइन साइन में ही कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, कॉस कॉस में ही कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, और टैन टैन में ही कन्वर्ट हो रहा है। ऑलराइट, सो आई वांट यू टू फाइंड, एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, कैन यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ टैन 135 degrees? Can you find the value of tan 135 degrees? Biswadeep will tell me the value of tan 135 degrees. Biswadeep, unmute yourself, Biswadeep. Yes, beta, बताओ. What is tan 135? You can use this or you can use this, I believe, because 135 degrees is in second quadrant. Allow Biswadeep to unmute. Biswadeep. Yes, Biswadeep, tell me. Don't mute yourself again, okay? Because you will need permission from host and none. Okay, allow once again. Biswadeep, you're... Okay, fine, chalo. So what is tan 135 degrees? If I want to use this result, 135 degrees can be written as 180 minus 45. And now you know what is tan 180 minus theta. It is minus tan theta. So if it is minus tan theta, tell me guys, what is tan 180 minus theta? It is minus tan theta. So this should be equal to minus tan 45 degrees, which is minus 1. So tan 135 degrees is minus 1. I hope sabhi ka answer aa gaya. And we will move further. Note it down. Note this down. और अगर जिन्होंने नोट कर लिया है, जिन लोगों ने नोट कर लिया है, find the value of tan 120 degrees. tan 120 निकालो, ठीक है? जिन लोगों ने ये फाइंड कर लिया है, tan 120 डिग्रीज की वैल्यू फाइंड करो. Yes. What is the value of tan 150 degrees? स्क्रॉल अप करना, स्क्रॉल अप करना. अप, ऊपर. अरे मेरे भाई, ध्रुव. Yes, Dhruv. What is the answer? Is it for tan 150? Dhruv, how it is root 3? Okay, try once more. Who else? Vedant? Minus root 3. Vedant is saying minus root 3. Tan 150 degrees is minus root 3. Is it? Okay, अभी और चेक करते हैं वेदांत. फिर से एक बार वेरीफाई करो वेदांत. Yes, yes. So you're finding tan 120, then your answer is correct, Vedant. Yes, yes, it is Vedant. Very good. It is minus 1 by root 3. Very nice. ठीक है, correct. तो I hope everybody's answer is same. सभी का आंसर वही है. Yes. Yes, yes, okay. So after 180 minus theta, let's go to 180 plus theta. और अब ये रिजल्ट्स मैं बार बार इसको प्रूव नहीं करने वाला हूँ, बिकॉज आई डिड इट 4-5 टाइम्स. सो आई बिलीव अब सभी लोग ये काम अपने आप कर सकते हैं. इफ आई आस्क यू कि भाई साइन 180 प्लस थीटा क्या होगा, एंड यू ऑलरेडी हैव साइन 180 माइनस थीटा. साइन 180 माइनस थीटा है मेरे पास और साइन 180 प्लस थीटा मुझे फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट विल बी माय अप्रोच? मैं साइन 180 प्लस थीटा को लिख सकता हूं साइन 180 माइनस थीटा. एंड साइन 180 माइनस थीटा ये मैंने क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज माइनस थीटा को अगर मैं एक बार अल्फा अज्यूम कर लूं तो ये साइन 180 माइनस अल्फा है, जिसका आंसर सीधा साइन थीटा होता है, साइन अल्फा होता है. तो ये हो गया साइन अल्फा विच इज साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा. एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव माइनस थीटा रिजल्ट, राइट? सो व्हाट इज साइन माइनस थीटा? इट इज गोइंग टू बी माइनस साइन थीटा. सो साइन 180 प्लस थीटा इज माइनस साइन थीटा. एंड सिमिलरली यू कैन प्रूव that cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. And if you divide these two, तो इस बार tan 180 degrees plus theta आएगा minus sin theta upon minus cos theta, यानी plus tan theta. ये लो भाई, tan 180 plus theta is plus tan theta, minus sign नहीं आया. क्यों? What could be a direct explanation for this? If theta is acute, अगर theta acute है, so 180 plus theta falls in third quadrant. तीसरे quadrant में हम आ गए और तीसरे quadrant के किसी भी एंगल के लिए tan should be positive, and that's why it is plus tan theta. So these are the results for 180 plus theta. And similarly, अगर तुम चाहो तो 270 माइनस थीटा यानी कि 3 पाई बाई 2 माइनस थीटा का रिजल्ट भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. 270 माइनस थीटा का रिजल्ट क्या होने वाला है? व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट फॉर 270 माइनस थीटा? साइन 270 degrees minus theta. So what is 270? Sin 270 minus theta. Sin 270 minus theta. देखो तुम्हें अगर राइट हैंड साइड को गेस करना है, you just need to guess two things. First, it's sin. It should be positive or negative. Can you guess and tell me? क्या तुम में से कोई बता सकता है कि जो भी आंसर आएगा, अगर थीटा एक्यूट है, साइन 270 माइनस का रिजल्ट नेगेटिव आएगा या पॉजिटिव आएगा? एंड आई वांट टू सी अ न्यू नेम इन दिस लिस्ट. वी हैव 4 people, the same 4 people. Okay, Harshita. Okay, Harshita, tell me. Why you think it should be positive, Harshita? I understand, I know, बिल्कुल सही बात है. But theta, if theta is acute, 270 minus theta falls in which quadrant, Harshita? Tell me. Assuming theta is acute, 270 minus theta will fall in which quadrant? Third. In third quadrant, what do you think is the sign of sine? In third quadrant, what is the sign of sine? It is negative, isn't it? Kalyani. Please unmute beta. Kalyani. Yes. It will be negative. Very nice. It has to be negative because sine 270 minus theta, if you look at 270 minus theta, assuming theta is acute, 270 minus theta will fall in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine is negative. That's why we have to expect a negative value. Look, I'm not saying कि आंसर में negative ही आएगा. Because I'm assuming theta is an acute angle, that's why I'm putting this negative value. वैसे आंसर हमेशा सही रहने वाला है. माइनस का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि वो वैल्यू नेगेटिव है. आई एम राइटिंग माइनस एक्स, तो क्या माइनस एक्स नेगेटिव हो गया? नहीं, अगर एक्स नेगेटिव खुद हुआ, सो माइनस ऑफ दिस नेगेटिव वैल्यू कैन बिकम पॉजिटिव. बट हियर इफ आई अज्यूम, अगर मैंने ऐसा अज्यूम कर लिया कि भाई थीटा एक्यूट है, तो आंसर नेगेटिव ही आने वाला है. एंड इसके बाद यहां पर तुम्हें एक कॉस मिलने वाला है. अब ये कॉस कैसे आया? यस, मैंने कोई डेरिवेशन नहीं दिखाया, बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू परफॉर्म दिस डेरिवेशन. आई मीन सेम स्टेप्स है, राइट? 270 को तुम क्या लिखोगे? 180 प्लस 90. सो प्रोसीड फ्रॉम हियर एंड फाइंड, डिराइव दिस रिजल्ट. इसको प्रूव करो. ऑलराइट, साइन 270 माइनस थीटा इज माइनस कॉस थीटा, एंड कॉस 270 माइनस थीटा. Again, can you guess? Positive sign or negative sign? Plus or minus? Third quadrant में cos negative होता है, so minus, और ये हो जाएगा sin theta. And then you have not to guess because दोनों को divide करोगे, you will have results for tan as well. तो tan का जो result है वो होगा tan what? Tan 270 minus theta will become minus cos theta upon minus sin theta, which will be eventually cot theta. So minus cos theta upon minus sin theta is cot theta. Right? तो जल्दी से इसको फिनिश करते हैं. मुझे बस एक और तुम्हें बताना है. नोट दिस डाउन, और तुम्हें पता समझ में आ गया होगा मैं और नेक्स्ट तुम्हें क्या बताने वाला हूं. नेक्स्ट होगा 270 के बाद नेक्स्ट अलाइड एंगल जो है. These are multiples of 90, all right? 90, 180, 270, and next in this list will be 360. 360 degrees. So what about 360 minus theta? And do not worry this time. इतना लंबे प्रूफ की हमको जरूरत नहीं है. What is 360 minus theta? Let's observe. Let's observe what is 360 minus theta. आओ देखते हैं एक बार. Once again, I'm assuming that theta is acute. All right. So what is 360 minus theta? देखो ये हो गया हमारा complete rotation. This is 360 degrees. एक full rotation किया मैंने. What does minus theta mean if theta is a positive acute angle? इसमें theta को subtract करना है, right? ऐसा कुछ minus theta. So you are somewhere here. तुम यहाँ कहीं पहुंच गए, right? This is 360 minus theta. ये जो एंगल था यहां से यहां तक, this is 360 minus theta. बट हम पहुंचे तो वही ना जहां पर हम माइनस थीटा से पहुंचते. 360 माइनस थीटा करने पर हम वहीं पहुंच रहे हैं जहां पर हम माइनस थीटा से पहुंच रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? It does not mean that 360 minus theta is equal to minus theta. But that does mean that trigonometric ratios of minus theta will be same as trigonometric ratios of 360 minus theta. And for that reason, if I ask you what is sine 360 minus theta, so rest assured, one thing is guaranteed, the result will be same as sine minus theta. And since we have already derived the results for minus theta, tell me what is sine minus theta? It is minus sine theta. खत्म हो गई बात. 360 minus theta के results minus theta जैसे ही हैं, right? What is cos 360 minus theta? Cos 360 minus theta is going to be same as cos minus theta. And what is cos minus theta, guys? It is cos theta. If you divide these two, tan 360 minus theta. What is tan 360 minus theta? Minus sin theta upon cos theta, या फिर जो result था tan minus theta का, it is minus tan theta. तो 360 minus theta का result same as minus theta है. 360 minus theta is same as minus theta. So next in this list is 360 plus theta. Can you guess what is going to happen with 360 plus theta? 360 plus theta साथ क्या होगा? What is 360 plus theta? Aditya Jaiswal. Yes, Aditya. बताओ. Aditya wants to speak. Yes, Aditya. Yes, it is equivalent to theta. The results, the trigonometric ratios of theta it will be equivalent to trigonometric ratios of 360 plus theta. These two angles are not equal. But मैं देखो यहाँ पे तुम्हें rotation दिखाऊं, full rotation. So what is 360 plus theta? देखो 360 degrees is full rotation and plus theta. So what is 360 plus theta? 360 plus theta is not theta. 360 plus theta and theta are different, two different angles. But since we will have same right angle triangle, ये same right angle triangle बनेगा, so 360 plus theta के results वही होंगे जो theta के होते हैं. That means sin 360 plus theta is sin theta, cos 360 plus theta is cos theta, and so on. यानी 360 plus theta करने के बाद तुम्हें वही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज मिल जाएंगे. साइन का साइन, कॉस का कॉस, टैन का टैन, बिकॉज एक कंप्लीट रोटेशन होने के बाद तुम वहीं पहुंच जाओगे. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड अलाइड एंगल फॉर्मूलाज. अलाइड एंगल फॉर्मूलाज पढ़ने के बाद तुम्हें डेफिनेटली समझ में आ गया होगा दैट यू आर नॉट limited to find values of acute angles, trigonometric ratios of acute angles only. Now you can go beyond these angles. Now you can find the values of 120 degrees, 135 degrees, 225 degrees also, which is greater than 180, minus 120 also, negative angle. But इसके हमको practice करनी पड़ेगी, right? इसके हमको practice करनी पड़ेगी. Look at this table. Look at this table. Can we have? Yes. Look at this table. So this is the combined result जो आज हमने derive किए हैं results, वो सारे results इस table में हैं. I will post it in the group also. इसको तुम्हें याद रखना है। देखो याद, तुम बार बार कह रहे हो कि तुम्हें कंपाउंड एंगल फॉर्मूले पता है, कंपाउंड एंगल फॉर्मूले तुम्हें पता है, बट ये बताने का रीजन ये होता है, मैथ्स में वी हैव यू नो इन जेईई मेन वी हैव roughly 2 to 3 minutes to solve a question. So अगर हम कंपाउंड एंगल फॉर्मूले की हेल्प से साइन 225 डिग्रीज निकाल रहे हैं, इट विल टेक 1 minute. ट्रस्ट मी, वी डोंट हैव 1 minute to find the value of sin 225. हमको उसका आंसर याद होना चाहिए, हमको ये पता होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, सो दिस लिस्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस टेबल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू हैव टू लर्न इट. इसको याद करना होगा. बट यू नो दिस इज मैथमेटिक्स, और मैथमेटिक्स इज नॉट अबाउट रोट लर्निंग. हमें फॉर्मूले रटने ही पड़ते हैं दोस्त, फॉर्मूले रटने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, इन रिजल्ट्स को ऑब्जर्व करो एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू कम विद योर ओन ऑब्जर्वेशन. हमें एक ऐसा ऑब्जर्वेशन देखना है जिसकी हेल्प से मुझे ये सब रटना ना पड़े, मुझे अपने आप याद हो जाए कि हाँ भाई 90 प्लस थीटा के रिजल्ट्स ये हैं, 180 माइनस थीटा के रिजल्ट्स ये हैं, 270 प्लस थीटा के ये हैं एंड सो ऑन. मुझे ये रिजल्ट्स अपने आप याद हो जाएं. तो ऐसा कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन लेके आना नेक्स्ट क्लास में. एंड बेस्ड ऑन दिस अलाइड एंगल फॉर्मूला थिंग आई विल गिव यू अ शीट फॉर दिस वीक विच यू हैव टू सॉल्व. ऑब्वियसली बेसिक शीट होगी, तुम्हें कुछ क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने होंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चंस तुम्हें सॉल्व करने होंगे, जैसे कि फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ tan 225, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 315 डिग्रीज और ऐसा कुछ. तो अलाइड एंगल पर बेस्ड ये शीट होगी, इसको पूरे वीक में सॉल्व करना. देयर विल बी अ डाउट लेक्चर प्रायर टू दिस लेक्चर. डाउट लेक्चर को में अपने डाउट्स अपने डिस्कस कर लेना एंड विल मीट अगेन. एंड वन मोर इंफॉर्मेशन, मेन के रिजल्ट तो नहीं है, बट मेन के मार्क्स आ गए हैं. एंड योर सुपर सीनियर, इट वोंट बी योर सीनियर, इमीडिएट सीनियर, 12th के बच्चों ने जो एग्जाम दिया है, more than 10 students, they have scored more than 90 marks in JEE main paper, you know, out of 100 maths में more than 90 score किया. And there is one particular guy who scored 100 out of 100. तो ऐसा स्कोर हम लोग कभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में सुनते नहीं थे कि किसी का कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में, वो भी जेई जैसे एग्जाम में आउट ऑफ स्कोर आ गया. तो 100 out of 100 भी देखो यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं. सो आई बिलीव दिस लेजेंड विल कंटिन्यू विद दिस बैच ऑल्सो. और इसके लिए बस एक ही चीज, एक ही एलिमेंट है, एक ही चीज रिक्वायर्ड, और वो है कंसिस्टेंसी. सो बी कंसिस्टेंट. फ्रीक्वेंसी इज लाइक, आई मीन इट कैन नॉट बी लेसर, राइट? 1 lecture in a week, so you can easily adapt. जो भी होमवर्क दिया जा रहा है, जो करने को कहा जा रहा है, जो भी तुम्हें थ्योरी पढ़ाई जा रही है, उसको एक बार रिवाइज कर लो और उस पर बेस्ड कुछ क्वेश्चंस कर लो. इट इज गोइंग टू बी यू नो समथिंग यू माइट नॉट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग. तुम कुछ ऐसा कर डालोगे which will be really wonderful, और सबके अंदर वो कैपेबिलिटी है. The only thing students usually miss is consistency. आज पढ़ा और कल नहीं पढ़ा और परसों फिर ब्रेक ले लिया, तो ये काम नहीं करना है. डेली जो है थोड़े थोड़े, भले ही तुम 2 क्वेश्चंस करो, बट डेली करते रहो. ऑलराइट, ओके, चलो. सो आई विल मीट यू गाइस इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. स्टे वेल, स्टे हेल्दी, और डाउट्स आते हैं तो मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर देना. ओके, चलो, बाय बाय.